Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So I was troubleshooting my Honda Civic. This is the 2007 Gen. So troubleshooting with the signal light. Somehow my left signal light is doing like a hyper flash. Let me show you guys real quick. All right. So normally when when it's doing like a hyper flash, that means your light bulb is being shorted, or some of the light bulb got burnt out, and it's making like a no resistance at all. Because when there's a light bulb, you give it like a resistance, and when it's doing a hyper flash, that means too much current or it's going through that light bulb. So I checked the back and everything. Some of the light bulb were burnt out, or so I changed it. And left and right hand side, I check all around. Everything is good. And I'm still getting like a hyper flash. And I say, what is going on? So I went to the front of the side marker or the turn signal. And I'm going to show you guys real quick over there. Let's move on to that. All right, in order to take out your light bulb, you don't need to remove your bumper or whatever, okay? Show you guys the trick. All you guys need to do is just remove this coolant reservoir. It is clip on a holder, okay? All you do is just pull this out real quick. Okay. And since my coolant is all the way down there, so I don't need to worry about too much. It's getting spilled. You could twist it and then take out the rubber hose or whatever. And I'm just going to let it sit like this, okay? And now I'm going to dig into my light bulb, my turn signal. Okay, so this is the light bulb socket, and then there is a push button right here. You can press down and then eject this socket. Okay. And that is the connector that goes to the socket. So I'm not sure why Honda they designed two of this socket that could interchange with this adapter. Okay. I removed my passenger's side, the socket, and it is totally different. I want to tell you guys how I'm going to remove the passenger signal light. What I did is I turned my steering wheel, turn it to the left, so the wheel, instead of going straight, is going to turn to the left, okay? And then you have an opening. In order to, you need to remove one of the bumper sticker that's holding on the top. Let me show you guys real quick so you know what I'm talking about. So this is my passenger tire, okay? What I did was I start the engine and turn the wheel in, so I have enough room to get into this inner liner, and also to remove the screw that's right here on the bumper. That's inside there with that blue painter's tape. Because if I put it up, when I put it up or put it back on, the somehow screw keep on falling down, or I drop the clip. There's a metal clip right here. Okay. Let's see if I can see it, but anyway, the reason I use the painter's tape because the screw keep on falling down or fall on my screwdriver. So I use that to tape it to the screwdriver together so I won't lose a screw. Because some of the screw keep on falling inside there. And then I had to use my finger to rip this open so I could get into the light bulb that's in here. So you don't need to remove the whole bumper. So I'm going to show you guys a different the light bulb and then the socket. Somehow I put this car into the body shop, and I guess the body man swapped out my the light bulb and then the light socket. I guess that's why their car is doing like a Hyperflash as well. So they found my car and they just changed it out or something. So, and then this is supposed to be the original one, the one with this kind of adapter, the cylinder kind. And this one is only fit one way. The other one is this kind, all right? This kind, you gotta be careful and put it in correctly. If you put in like a reverse order, and it's not gonna blink, okay? Your turn signal is not gonna blink properly. You only blink when you put in the correct way. So I'm gonna put this in there. See, the connector is exactly the same. So I'm not sure why they do that. So I'm going to connect this light bulb back, and hopefully that's going to solve my problem with the Hyperflash. I'm going to connect it, but I'm not going to put it into the turn signal yet. So you guys are going to be the witness and see if it's going to flash correctly or not. Yes. Alright guys, so that finally fixed my problem. My buddy got this at the pick apart, so I got it for him for free. He hooked me up. So when I turned my hazard light with the wrong socket, it was flashing correctly. There's no Hyperflash, and it only flashes when doing a Hyperflash when I turn the left signal, and also when I turn on the parking lights or the headlights. When I turn on the turn signal, this one just stays on. It doesn't even flash in the front, but the back it does Hyperflash. So just be careful when you guys mix up with this kind of socket, or somebody swap them out on purposely, and hopefully that will help you guys solve your problems. I know a lot of people, when they put like a LED light bulb, they are going to have this Hyperflash, but that's not my case. And if you put like a LED light bulb, you need like a 6 watts and dependent, I think it's like 40, correct me if I'm wrong, 40 to 50 ohms of resistor in order to avoid the Hyperflash. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.